Emily wakes up and looks out her window. The sun is shining bright. She feels happy. Today she has no work. She plans to go to the park. Her friend Tom calls her. "Hi, Emily, want to meet at the park?" he asks. Emily smiles. "Yes," she replies. Emily gets ready. She wears her favorite blue dress. She packs a small bag. She puts in a water bottle, a book, and some snacks. Emily loves to read at the park. She leaves her house. The weather is warm. The air smells fresh. Birds sing in the trees. Emily walks happily to the park. When she arrives, she sees Tom. He is sitting under a big tree. He waves at her. Emily waves back. She walks to him. "Hi, Tom," she says. "Hi, Emily," says Tom. "I have a surprise for you," he adds, smiling. Emily feels curious. Tom opens a basket. It is full of food. "I brought us a picnic," he says. Emily is surprised. "Wow, Tom, this is great," she says. They sit on a blanket. They eat sandwiches, apples, and cookies. Emily shares her snacks too. They talk and laugh. After eating, they lay down on the blanket. They look at the sky. The clouds move slowly. They make shapes. Emily sees a cloud that looks like a dog. Tom sees one that looks like a car. They have fun guessing cloud shapes. Later, Emily reads her book. Tom listens quietly. The story is interesting. Emily shares the story with Tom. They enjoy the peaceful park. The breeze is gentle. The sun feels warm on their faces. Soon, it is late afternoon. Emily and Tom pack their things. They feel happy and relaxed. "This was a fun day," says Emily. "Yes, it was," says Tom. "Let's do this again," he suggests. Emily nods. They walk home together. As they walk, they talk about their favorite park memories. Emily loves spending time with friends. Tom enjoys relaxing under trees. They smile, feeling grateful for the day. They say goodbye at Emily's house. Emily enters her home. She feels tired but happy. She sits by the window. The sun sets slowly. The sky turns orange and pink. Emily thinks about the nice day she had. She feels thankful for good friends and sunny days. She looks forward to their next park day, knowing simple joys make life special.